a program that accepts a word from the user and reverse it. Okay, so you have to enter one string from the keyboard and that word has to reverse it. Okay, we have to output should be the reverse of the string. Okay, so simple, we will use reverse slice function here. So many ways you can do it, reversing a string, reverse the string, but I am doing simple here using slice function. So first of all, enter from the keyboard, input, enter string, enter string to reverse. Okay, and just use slice function here. Simple slice function means x the string start and end, and give the third parameter -1 here. That's it. Simple. Print reverse string is comma y. Okay, simple. Output here. Check the output. Enter string to reverse. Just use Python. See, reverse string is NO H T O, because reversing a simple one. You can do so many ways about reversing a string. Okay, but I am using a slice function here. Slice function is a sequence of you can use sequence in list, tuple, okay, string, whatever. Okay, so using slice function you can easily reverse a string or word, any word. Okay.